In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Rocket Money app. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a comprehensive personal finance app that assists you in managing your subscriptions, tracking your spending, lowering your bills, and helping you budget smarter. Whether you prefer to use it on your desktop or mobile, Rocket Money is available on both iOS and Android platforms. Let's start by heading over to Rocket Money's website. Once there, look for the option to sign up or log in. If you're a new user, you'll want to create an account, but if you already have one, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're successfully logged into the app, click on the Sign In option to enter your account and begin your financial journey with Rocket Money. Within the app, navigate to the Recurring section. Here, Rocket Money will automatically detect any recurring charges you have. This is a great feature for keeping all your subscriptions organized. You can easily view all your active subscriptions in one place, and if you notice anything you no longer need or want, you can cancel unwanted subscriptions directly from the app. Rocket Money even offers assistance if you need help with cancellations. Next, let's move to the Lower Your Bills section. Here you have the option to upload or connect your bills, such as cable or internet services. Rocket Money will then negotiate on your behalf to reduce these expenses, potentially saving you a significant amount of money every month. After that, check out the Budgets section. Within this area, you'll find spending insights that allow you to analyze where your money goes. This is incredibly useful for setting up clear budgets in different categories like food, entertainment, or utilities. By setting these spending limits, you can ensure that you stay on track with your financial goals. Now turn your attention to the Net Worth and Transactions sections. Rocket Money provides a detailed insight into your financial health by tracking all your transactions and giving you an overview of your net worth. This feature will help you keep a close eye on your finances at a glance. For those interested in monitoring their credit, navigate to the Credit Score feature to see how you're tracking. Keeping an eye on your credit score is essential for maintaining good financial health. Another key step is connecting your accounts. Tap on Link Accounts to securely connect your bank accounts, credit cards, or even PayPal. This ensures Rocket Money can track all your transactions and subscriptions seamlessly, automating your financial tracking. Rocket Money also offers optional premium features. If you decide to upgrade, you'll gain access to advanced budgeting tools, smart savings options, and in-depth credit score tracking. You can choose your monthly fee for these premium features using their adjustable scale. Finally, to maximize the benefits of Rocket Money, make sure to turn on notifications. These alerts will notify you about upcoming bills, budget warnings, and savings tips, helping you stay informed and proactive about your finances.